Hi, welcome back. Just an overview of what I'm taking on my circumnavigation around Australia. This is just the basic stuff I have. I'm also taking a pack, just a small pack where I'll have my electronics, my passport, and all the stuff I need in an emergency. Anyway, let's just go through my bicycle real quick. So Surly Ogre steel frame bicycle. It's got 10 gears in the rear, 3 in the front, so 30 gears essentially. Everything I need to carry for tools, everything is in here. Wet weather gear is in here. I got a Brook saddle. The immediate puncture repair kit, spare tube is in here. My bike is set up for tubeless. However, I am taking a couple of spare tubes. I've got a dyno hub in the front. Right, and that generates power to my light and also generates power through my USB Rex. So that I've got it hooked up to the light, and also a USB cable coming into this little pouch here. That's where my phone will go. Got a mirror, my GoPro stuff in there. So yeah, the bike's it's about 13.5 kilos without anything on it. Right, so now let's go through the basic stuff. My rear pannier, my sleeping gear, my tent, which is a Mac Pack Dura Light tent. I got a Kathmandu Pathfinder sleeping bag. I've got a mat, a real small mat. I only need it from my hips to my shoulders. I've got 2 pair of pants, 2 pairs of shorts, 3 t-shirts, a long sleeve shirt, my riding jacket, cold weather thermals, and underwear, socks. Got my Solomon shoes, my Merrill shoes, and some pluggers. Also got a cold weather jacket. All right, that's in the first pannier. The second pannier, I carry all my spare stuff. So I got heaps of room. All my spare stuff, so my spare chain, spare derailleur, bits and pieces for the bike, another spare inner tube. Just so you know, I got a PLB, personal location beacon. I carry that in my pack on my back. Cooking gear, just the basics. Charging gear, as well as a dyno on the front. I'm going to have this sitting on the back. Just a solar panel. I've also got 3 battery banks. This is a 25,000. This will charge my laptop and everything. These 2 here will only charge the iPad and the phone, but they're solar, so I can just attach them to the bike somewhere and they will just charge by themselves. Right, small kitchen sink for washing, towel, and I have a toiletry kit. That's in the bathroom. That's basically it. Food and water, I will stock up every 3 to 4 days. I just look at the route, how long I go without food and water. I'll make sure I always have 2 days worth extra. So if I'm going for 5 days, I'll make sure I have 7 days worth of food. Yeah. Anyway, really quick rundown of what I got. Any questions on the bicycle? I've got the new DT Swiss 29-inch rims. Yeah, ready to go. So Sunday, I step off. Looking forward to it. Anyway, yeah, that's what I got. Hope you enjoy. Like, any questions, let me know. Okay, this is all the stuff I'm taking. I've got to put that into a car, right? So that's all my equipment cycling around Australia.